The highest paying game offers on Freecash are usually the ones with multiple milestone rewards, not the games that only pay for installing the app. By the end of this, you'll know which types of game offers are typically worth your time, how to choose them, and how to make sure they actually track. When you browse the games section on Freecash, you'll notice that some offers have several reward checkpoints. Instead of earning everything at once, you unlock rewards by reaching specific levels, completing chapters, or finishing other in-game objectives. These multi-step offers are generally the ones with the biggest earning potential, because they reward continued progress rather than a single action. Games that only require an install or a quick tutorial are much faster to complete, but they usually offer fewer rewards than longer campaigns. That doesn't automatically make the larger offers better. The best choice depends on how much time you're willing to invest. Before starting any game, read every requirement carefully. Many offers are only available to first-time players of that game. If you've installed or played it before on the same device, you may not qualify even if the offer still appears in your account. Always install the game through the Freecash tracking link. Opening the App Store separately or downloading the game another way can prevent the offer from tracking correctly. After installation, avoid clearing app data, reinstalling the game, or switching to another device, unless the offer specifically allows it. Those changes can interrupt advertiser tracking. Keep screenshots whenever you reach an important milestone. If a reward doesn't appear after completing the required objective, you'll already have proof showing your progress if support requests it. Another smart habit is comparing the requirements before you begin. A game with several simple milestones may be a better choice than one difficult objective that takes much longer to complete. Also pay attention to any completion deadlines shown in the offer details. Some game campaigns require milestones to be finished within a certain period, so understanding the timeline before you start helps you avoid wasting effort. Instead of starting multiple games at once, finish one offer before moving to another. That makes it much easier to track your progress and remember exactly which requirements you've completed. To sum it up, multi-milestone game offers usually provide the biggest earning opportunities. Following the installation instructions is essential for tracking, and keeping screenshots can save time if rewards don't appear correctly. Next, sort your available game offers by reward. Read every requirement from beginning to end, and choose one that realistically matches the time you want to spend. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash tips, offer guides, and troubleshooting tutorials.